Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. If you are building a modern Flutter application and want to add WhatsApp like voice call, video calls, live streaming, screen sharing, in-app chat or real-time communication, then this video is for you. Today we will learn ZEGOCLOUD and we will understand what is ZEGOCLOUD, why developers use it, these features, Flutter integration, dashboard, authentication, video calls, voice calls, live streaming, pricing, advantage, limitation, best practices. By the end of this video, you will know whether Zigo Cloud is the right choice for your application. So let's get started. Here, first, what is Zigo Cloud? Zigo Cloud is a real-time engagement platform. It provides ready-made cloud services that allow developers to add real-time communication features into mobile and web applications without building complex backend infrastructure. Instead of creating your own WebRTC server, s- media servers, recording server, and network optimization system, Zigo Cloud provides everything through cloud APIs and SDK. This makes development much faster. And another one is why developer use it. Why Zigo Cloud? Imagine you are creating WhatsApp, Zoom, Google Meet, Discord, Omegle, healthcare app, online classroom, telemedicine, customer support, gaming chat. Building real-time communication from scratch is extremely difficult. You will need signaling server, stone turn server, WebRTC, media server, network optimization, global CDN, encryption, recording authentication. Zigo Cloud already provides all these services. Features. Zigo Cloud support many real-time communication features. These include voice calling, one-to-one audio calls, group audio calls, instant voice, noise suppression, echo cancellation, automation, reconnection. And another one is video calling, one-to-one video, group video, HD video, beauty filters, virtual background, screen sharing, call recording, and live streaming, host, co-host, audience, PK battle, multiple host, interactive live, low latency streaming. Then real-time messaging, text chat, image, voice note, file sharing, emoji, typing indicator, read receipt, online status. And advanced features, AI noise cancellation, call recording, cloud mixing, virtual background, beauty camera, screen sharing, face enhancement, video effect. And how Zigo Cloud works. The communication process is simple. User A open the app, then app connects to Zigo Cloud, then user B join, and after that authentication happens. Then voice and video channels are created. After that, media data travels through GeoCloud optimized servers. Then user communicate in real time. This removes the need for developer to manage media server. Then another one is architecture. A typical Flutter application uses Flutter app, GeoCloud SDK, Internet, GeoCloud servers, another Flutter app. Everything is handled secretly in the cloud. And another one is Flutter integration. The integration process is straightforward. Step 1, create a Zego Cloud account. Then step 2, create a project. Step 3, get app ID and app sign. And step 4, install Flutter SDK. Step 5, step 5, initialize the SDK. And step 6, login user. Step 7, start voice call. Step 8, video call start. 9, publish stream. And step 10, receive stream. Then dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will find projects, application ID, app sign, usage analytics, quality monitoring, cloud recording, authentication, user statics, call statics, billing logs, and security setting. And another topic is authentication. Every user needs user ID, username, room ID, token. These identify users securely before joining calls. Then voice call. Voice calling allows user to communicate using audio only. Features include mute, speaker, Bluetooth support, background calling, noise reduction, reconnection, call duration, call event. Then video calls. Video call video calling supports front camera, rear camera, switch camera, mute video, screen sharing, beauty filter, network detection, SD video, adaptive bitrate, and live streaming. Perfect for education, gaming, events, podcast, online teaching, music shows, live commerce, streaming type include one host, multiple host, PK battle, interactive live, and audience mode. And what about performance? ZegoCloud is optimized for low latency, fast connection, adaptive bitrate, packet loss recovery, global server, automatic quality adjustment. This provides this provides smooth communication even on slower networks. Then security. Security features include token authentication, encrypted communication, HTTPS APIs, secure signaling, access control, cloud security, user verification. And another one is pricing. Zigo Cloud provides a free tier for development and testing. As your application grows, you can move to paid plans based on minutes streaming, bandwidth, cloud recording, additional services. This makes it suitable for both startups and enterprise application. Now talk about advantage. Easy integration, Flutter support, Android, iOS, web, desktop, global infrastructure, excellent documentation, cloud recording, AI features, scalable architecture, high quality audio, high quality video, minimal backend development. And next, limitation. Some limitations are internet dependency, paid plans for heavy uses, vendor lock-in, token management required, advanced customization may need backend integration. And best practice, ZegoCloud is ideal for healthcare, telemedicine, online education, customer support, gaming, social media apps, dating apps, cancellation platform, business meeting, and video interview platform. And ZegoCloud, building your own communication platform requires WebRTC, media server, turn server, scaling, monitoring, recording, security, and maintenance. With ZegoCloud, these services are already managed, allowing developer to focus on application features instead of infrastructure. And final thought, If your goal is to build professional real-time communication into your Flutter application quickly, ZegoCloud is one of the easiest and most scalable platform variable. It reduces development time, improves call quality, and handles much of the complexity involved in real-time communication. Whether you are creating a healthcare app, educational platform, social network, or business communication tool, ZegoCloud offers a strong foundation. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what ZegoCloud is, how it works, and how it can help you build real-time communication features in Flutter application. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.